Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to explain you what do you mean by security. So whenever the term security comes into the picture, we can say that security is nothing but we are providing the protection to our information and our data. So for providing the security to our information or data, we have multiple security strategies will be available, like encryption algorithm, then some network security protocols will be available, some ciphers will be available. So with the help of this technique, we are providing the security to our information or our data. So third party, that is the unauthorized user, cannot access our sensitive information. So you can see in this picture, one attacker is there. They are trying to capturing the information. Here you can see is that this is the user, that is Alice, and the second one is Bob. Alice is sending the data to the receiver, that is Bob. But one attacker will be there. They are trying to capturing the information which is going on between the Alice and the Bob. So the security terms comes into the picture. We have to protect our sensitive information from the hacker. So in this course, I will demonstrate you different types of security standards, like different types of cipher algorithm, what do you mean by cryptography, what are the different types of ciphers, then what are the different types of encryption algorithm, and so on.